If you're thinking about starting a business, you may have been told that you need a business plan. A properly researched and thorough business plan can help clarify strategy, identify potential roadblocks, resourcing needs, and the viability of the idea before you jump in. Having a business plan is like having a roadmap. If you don't have one, you run the risk of getting lost along the way. A business plan is a document that outlines how you'll achieve your business objectives and includes information about your product, operations, marketing strategies, and finances. If you need financing, the bank or your potential investors will want to review your plan to ensure you've done your homework and if your business is viable. So, how do you actually create a business plan? Welcome to Gray Skies Media. We're here to help you invest in your future. Please do us a favor and hit and like that subscribe buttons for more content like this. So let's get started. Here are the key components you'll need to include in your business plan. Number 1. Write your executive summary. Pay close attention to this one. If you're looking for investors or a loan to fund your business, your audience may not read past the executive summary. This section should be written last, as it summarizes everything in the rest of your plan. An executive summary is a brief introduction and summary of your business plan. It should describe your business, the problem that it solves, your product or service offering, your target customers, how you plan to market, financial highlights, and etc. A good executive summary grabs your reader's attention and shows them why they should read the rest of your plan. It should be written in a concise, clear manner and highlighting the details of your plan. Number 2. Business description. Here, you'll detail what the company will do, what's the opportunity that your business is capitalizing on, why are you going into business, and how will you stand apart from the competition. Highlight how your business is different. Here are some of the components you should include in your company overview. Business legal structure. Will you be a sole proprietorship, general partnership, limited partnership, or incorporated company? Business model, industry, your business's vision, mission, and value proposition. Background information on your business or its history. Business objectives, both short and long term. This is where you detail why your business should exist and what you hope to accomplish. Number 3. Market analysis. In this section, you'll detail the market space, who your competitors are and how many are there, which services or goods do they offer, and what are the current and future trends of the industry. Document benchmarks that can be used to gauge your business performance, such as gross turnovers and profit margins. You'll need to conduct thorough market research to help you understand your industry dynamics, as well as how to stand out from competitors. Consider any trends or themes that emerge. What other successful businesses in the field are doing or aren't doing, and how your business will outperform your competitors. How do you predict how your competitors will react? Number 4. Organization and management description. The management and organization section of your business plan should tell readers about who's running your company. If you have a management team, use an organizational chart to show your company's internal structure, including the roles, responsibilities, and relationships between people in your chart. Highlight how each person's skills and experience will contribute to the success of your business and how much you'll pay them. Number 5. Products and services. Here, you'll describe your product or service. What is the unique value you'll provide to your customers? You'll want to describe how your offering will be differentiated from similar ones. How will it be priced? And how does that play in the market compared to competitors? Your product or service is the crux of your business idea, so you'll want to ensure you make a strong case for it being on the market. If you have any pending or current intellectual property, include this information here. You can also detail any research and development for your product or service in this section. Number 6. Target customers. Your ideal customer, also known as your target market, is the foundation of your marketing plan. Your customers should be the basis of your strategic decisions, which is why an overview of who they are is important to understand and include in your plan. You'll want to include things like where they live, their age range, their education level, where they work, how much they earn, and etc. This information will vary based on what you're selling, but you should be specific enough that it's clear who you're trying to reach, and more importantly, why you've made the choices based on who your customers are and what they value. Number 7. Marketing and sales. Your marketing efforts will be based on your knowledge of your target customer. Your marketing plan should outline your strategy and how it aligns with the needs of your customers. Here, you'll outline how you'll reach your target customer. You could offer the best product or service in the world, but if your target customers don't know about it, your business will fail. Your marketing plan should address questions such as, what avenues will be used to reach your target market? What price points will you use and how did you calculate price? What potential obstacles exist and how will you overcome them? What resources does your marketing strategy require and how will you access them? How will success be measured? How will you retain customer loyalty? Number 8. Operations and logistics. These are the elements you'll need to operationalize your business. You will want to outline who will be your suppliers and what will you purchase from them. How will you mitigate supply chain issues? Where will you and your team work? Virtually, or will you need a physical space? What tools, equipment, and technology will you need? How much inventory will keep you on hand and how will you manage your inventory? How much will it cost to keep your operation running? What contingencies do you have in place if your suppliers have issues? This section shows your readers that you've got a solid understanding of your supply chain and strong contingency plans in place to cover potential uncertainty. Number 9. Funding. Be clear with how much you're asking for, why, and exactly how it will be used. You don't want to ask for a $100,000 loan or investment without a clear plan as to how that money will be used. Communicate how much capital you already have and how you raise that capital. Number 10. Financial projections. Financial projections are critical for both you and your potential investors and should include the estimates for 1 to 5 years. While these projections will of course be an educated estimate, you should be able to project how and when will the company first generate a profit and how the company will remain profitable. Be clear and realistic with your projections. Research industry norms and look up how comparable businesses have performed. A business plan can help you identify clear, deliberate next steps for your business, even if you never plan to ask investors for funding. And it can help you to see gaps in your plan before they become issues. Regardless of your business idea, a business plan will serve as a comprehensive guide to build your business. What do you think about the video? Please let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on that bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.